Captain, NSA Intel has intercepted an Imperial distress call. We know that it came from a convoy that is broken down near your present location. It was a top priority signal, which makes us believe they were transporting valuable cargo. Your mission is to recover this cargo, whatever it may be. Because of the weather, you will be going in by ground.
If it's that important, the area will soon be crawling with Terrans, and there's a full-on blizzard out here that's gonna slow us down.
Lieutenant Lacroix has already been dispatched to secure a landing zone. You can expect a Terran recovery unit to arrive from the Lorne Valley to the north. That would be a good place to ambush them.
Okay. I'm on top of it.
I'll do it, sir.
Welcome to the icebox, Captain.
I'll do it, sir.
Hope you brought your thermals. We have been freezing our asses off setting up this LZ. It will be ready shortly.
Captain, the Terran recovery unit is now less than 3 minutes from the northern entrance to the valley. Do not allow it to reach the convoy.
Orders acknowledged. Orders acknowledged. 10-4. 10-4. Orders acknowledged.
Captain, the Terran recovery unit has entered the valley.
Easily done.
We captured a victory location.
Exactly. Right, sir. Executing. My thought exactly.
Take cover!
Concentrate fire.
We got one, sir.
Okay. I am on fire.
Sir, we're under fire. Sir, we're under fire. Kill confirmed.
Executing.
I'll do it, sir.
Stay focused. I'm on it. Okay.
Enemy
Lieutenant,
dispatch.
how about that LZ?
I'm on it.
Can we bring in the
Leave it
dropships?
to me.
It shouldn't be a problem, sir, as long as the weather doesn't get worse.
Orders acknowledged.
Coordinates set. We are in the pipe.
Okay.
Affirmative, sir.
10-4.
Captain, my scouts have just sighted a Terran assault force approaching from the east. I can hold the LZ if you take care of the
Unloading
convoy.
cargo.
Agreed, Lieutenant. Keep me
I'll
posted.
do my best.
Dropship awaiting orders. Heads up. Incoming enemies.
Yes, sir.
Affirmative, sir.
10-4.
Target destroyed.
My thought exactly.
Target destroyed.
I'm on top of it.
Consider it done. Heads up. Incoming enemies. Coordinates received. Consider it done. Okay, I'm crawling back to bed. Bad news, guys. Enemy sighted.
Easily done. Orders acknowledged. Executing. You got it, sir.
I'll do it, sir. Leave it to me.
Executing.
Dropship at base.
I'm on it.
a new target. More bad guys.
I'm on it. No, impossible. Easily done.
Get me out of here.
I'm on it. Easily done.
Get me out of here. My thought exactly. Consider it done.
Okay. More targets. I'm on it. Easily done. I'm on it. Bring it on. I'm on it. Okay, I'm on it. Okay. Okay.
Orders acknowledged. Orders acknowledged.
Enemy detected.
Orders acknowledged. Orders acknowledged.
Stay focused. Stay frosty.
My thought exactly.
Okay. Easily done.
You want more of this?
Coordinates set. We are in the pipe.
I'm on top of it.
Easily done. Okay.
I'm on top of it. Orders acknowledged. Executing.
Heads up. Incoming enemies. Reinforcements deployed. Dropship standing by. I see the enemy. Roger, Wilco. Consider it done. We're taking flak.
Yes, sir.
Orders acknowledged.
Target eliminated.
Orders acknowledged. Orders acknowledged. Orders acknowledged. Orders acknowledged.
Roger that. We're heading back to base.
Orders acknowledged. Orders acknowledged. Orders acknowledged. Orders acknowledged.
I'm on it.
More bad guys.
Dropship at base.
Stay focused. Okay. Taste this, sucker. Okay. Concentrate fire. I'm on it. Okay. Taste this, sucker. Easily done.
Orders acknowledged. Orders acknowledged. Orders acknowledged.
Okay.
Orders acknowledged. Orders acknowledged. That's gotta hurt. Orders acknowledged.
Easily done.
Executing. That's gotta hurt.
I'm on it. Okay.
Enemy in my scope.
I'll do it, sir. I'll do it, sir.
I'll do my best.
We're under fire. Sir, we're under fire. Kill confirmed.
Concentrate fire. Stay focused. Easily done. Easily done.
More bad guys. We've got the heaviest gun.
More targets. Okay. Easily done. Okay. Easily done. I'm on it.
Got a ticket to hell.
I'm on it. Easily done. Okay. Easily done.
Dropship awaiting orders. Consider it done.
Easily done. Stay focused. Stay frosty. Okay. Stay focused. I'm on it. Take this sucker. Okay. Okay. Easily done. Okay. Okay.
Target annihilated.
I'm on it. I'm on it. Okay. I'm on it. I am on fire. I'm on it. I'm on it. Concentrate fire. Stay focused. I'm on it. Okay. Okay. I'm on it. Easily done. I'm on it. Easily done. Okay, I'm on it. Easily done. Easily done. Enemy detected. I'm on it. I'm on it. Easily done. Stay frosty. Okay. Concentrate fire. Concentrate fire. I'm on it. I am on fire.
We captured a victory location.
I'm on it.
Coordinates set. We are in the pipe.
Okay. Okay.
I see the enemy.
Orders acknowledged.
Okay.
Package delivered. Dropship awaiting orders. Coordinates received.
I'll do my best. Yes, sir.
Easily done.
Roger, Wilco. Coordinates received. Roger, Wilco.
Terran convoy in sight.
I see the
Guarded
enemy.
by Legionnaires.
Roger, Wilco.
Shouldn't be a problem. Unless
Consider
they're
it
bait for an
done.
ambush.
Consider it done. Copy that. Later, losers.
Okay.
Executed. Orders acknowledged.
I'm on it.
Dropship at base.
I'm on it. I'm on it. Easily done. Easily done. I'm on it.
I'll try, sir.
Reinforcements deployed. Dropship awaiting orders. Roger, Wilco.
Yes, sir. At once.
More targets. Stay frosty. Easily done. Okay. Easily done. Okay. Easily done. Concentrate fire. I'm on it. Easily done. I'm on it. Easily done. I'm on it. Easily done. I'm on it. 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 Okay. I'm on it. Enemy detected. I'm on it. Okay. Easily done. I'm on it. I'm on it. I'm on it. I am on fire. I'm on it. I'm on it. I'm on it. I'm on it.
I'll do my best.
Easily done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm on it. Easily done. Okay. Easily done. Easily done. I'm on it. Okay. Easily done. Easily done. Easily done. Easily done. Enemy detected. I'm on it. I'm on it. Okay. Take this sucker. Easily done. Okay. I'm on it. I'm on it. Okay.
I'll do my best.
I'm on it. I'm on it.
Executing. Executing. Orders acknowledged. Executing. Orders acknowledged. I'll try, sir. Yes, sir. I'll do my best. Executing. Orders acknowledged. Orders acknowledged.
I'm on it.
Executing. I'll try, sir. Executing. Orders acknowledged. Orders acknowledged. Orders acknowledged. Orders acknowledged. Yes, sir. I'll try, sir. I'll try, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Easily done.
Executing. Orders acknowledged. Orders acknowledged. You want more of this? That's gotta hurt. Orders acknowledged. That's gotta hurt. Orders acknowledged.
I'm on it. I'm on it. Okay. Bring it on. Okay. I'm on it. I am dominating. Easily done. I'm on it. More targets. I am on fire. I am dominating. Easily done. I'm on it. I am on fire. Easily done.
We captured a victory location.
We got ourselves a busload of prisoners down here. All Virans. What? That doesn't make sense.
Hail, Angelus Captain. I am Drakmar, the god of the Rogue clan. Your name is known with honor among us. Gratitude for our liberation.
You might want to save your thanks. We came here expecting something more useful to us than Virans.
Clan Rogue can be useful to NSA, not allied with Empire. All Rogue are enemies of Imperator, Flana, and the traitor, Kahal the Path.
Pretty words, but don't expect me to believe a single one until it's been confirmed by NSA intelligence. I was in Nova Legion when your kind butchered our civilians.
Clan Rogue weeps for your people, Angelus Captain. Have sworn vengeance upon Kahal the Path.
Sorry to interrupt your little chat, Captain, but I want you to evac those prisoners back to New Darwin for interrogation. Helidines are on the way. Utilize them to transport the prisoners to the extraction zone.
Enemy in sight, sir. Yes, sir. At once. Yes, sir. At once. Yes, sir. At once. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can do it. Yes, sir. At once. Yes, sir. At once. Orders acknowledged.
Easily done. I'm on it.
Captain, transport Helidynes can carry the convoy wagons in your units as well.
More bad guys.
Yes, sir. Consider it done. Taking your command to new heights.
We're under fire.
Taking your command to new heights.
Enemy in my scope.
Drakmar,
Executing.
secure your
Orders
people
acknowledged.
inside the convoy units and prepare for evacuation.
Angelus Captain, Clan Rogue will comply as you wish.
Captain, I
Back
got a
is
squadron
delivered.
of Imperial Helidynes lighting up
Orders
my
acknowledged.
screen. This
Orders
could be
acknowledged.
rough.
Dropship standing by.
Of course, sir. Of course, sir. Taking your command to new heights. Taking your command to new heights. Yes, sir. Consider it done.
Consider it done. Affirmative.
Yes, sir. At once. I'll do my best. Orders acknowledged. Orders acknowledged. Orders acknowledged.
Roger that. We're heading back to base.
Easily done.
Yes, sir. Orders
Borrowing
acknowledged.
prisoners ready for extraction.
Executing.
You won the race, Captain. Good job. I have some news for you about those Virans you rescued. They do indeed seem to be opponents of the Terran Empire.
Sir, I wouldn't even trust them to wash my pterodine.
Yes, Major Grant expressed a similar opinion when he learned of your discovery. The Viran called Drakmar a Viketh, a clan leader. He and his clan are cooperating fully with our agents, which may give us a much-needed edge in this conflict.